Welcome. I'm a self-taught options trader aiming to earn an average of $10,000 per month. Let's dive in. Okay, Bitcoin. It's ranged between 62.5 and 64.5 thousand dollars today on Monday, October the 7th. Now, last week on Friday, I had some covered calls, some $12 covered calls expire. They were called away. And so today I'm going to sell some cash secured puts on BTCC. So let's have a look here. PT.B. Where are you? There you are. Okay, there it is. So we'll have a quick look. Implied volatility, 59%. It's up a little bit. So the IV rank, it's kind of over the last year, that volatility is in the middle. And the number of days that have been below that is 47%. So right in the middle, not high or low, just very average volatility. These are my cash secured puts expiring this Friday. I've got 10 $12 calls and 20 $12.5 calls. So I've got roughly 2 each week expiring, and I need to sell some more. So we'll select put 10, and the expiry that I'm going to go for is 1st of November, 1150. So if I look at the volatility here, so if we select November 1st, puts, so it's about a 30 delta, and theoretical price should be around 41 cents. I could go $12 strike, but delta's quite a lot higher, and I think 30 is pretty good. So let's see if we can get 41 cents. So 0.41 on $11.50. Divide that by 25 days, and then times 365 to get the annual. So 52%. I'm happy with that. So let's see here. So the bid is 33, the ask is 48. So it's a 15 cent. So I think if I can get 40, I'd be happy. So put 10 contracts expiring 1st of November. Trying to get 40 cents. So let's sell those. Okay, so that would earn me today $400 and a commission of $12.45. So let's send that order. Okay, so I'm going to let that sit for a little bit, and we'll go on to some other stuff. Let's talk about data points. So for this week, not a lot of stuff happening early in the week as far as data goes, but Thursday we've got the CPI that'll be coming out before the market opens on Thursday, and then on Friday we've got PPI coming out. So I'd expect those will bring some more volatility to the market. Okay, going back here, I'm going to go and look in my USD margin account, and I've got MicroStrategy here. I'm up quite a bit. I bought that contract for $14, and I could sell it now for $47. which would be a profit of $3,300. And I would really like to take it, but I still have a lot of time. I have 192 days. And when I look at the chart of MicroStrategy, I put these lines in here again. I'm not any kind of technical analysis expert, but it appears that, it came up and sort of reached a level and then went down. Came up, down, and now it's come back up. So it feels like it's consolidating here, and so I think it has a chance to go up. The other reason that I'm thinking of holding on to this position, aside from wanting it from being greedy, is I think it's obviously going to move with Bitcoin, and I think for the fourth quarter, I feel like Bitcoin's going to do really well, so I think that position will also grow. I did have another position in MicroStrategy that I sold, so I think for now, I'm going to let it. I'm going to let it ride. Um, if this goes back down like it has in the past, then I'm going to be unhappy with myself. So that's MicroStrategy. It's going to ride. The other one here is Riot. Seeing some movement. I've been buying this position down, and that started to come up. I also have roughly 50 contracts worth of Riot sitting in dead money that I need to sell at 10.50. So let's see where we're at on that today. So if I was to sell a covered call 10.50, I'd get roughly 21 cents. So let's get the calculator. So 21 cents divided by 10.50 divided by 25 days times 365. So I'd get 30% if I sold that today. I'm really holding on to get 50%. So Riot has done pretty well today. I've just drawn some lines where I think there's some resistance. Let's go into just 6 months here. So I think 8.50 is going to give some resistance, and it went up there today and then retreated. I also think $9 is going to give some resistance, and then this green line I put in is 10.50. That's where I need to be to get out of these Riot positions that I've been put. So it's looking good, but for now, I'm going to wait and hope that it continues to go up. Positions of concern. So my biggest position of concern would be this Coinbase call that I've purchased. I'm up to 8 of them now. I started with 1, but as the price has gone down, I've continued to buy more of them. I don't know if that was really a good idea. I think it's tough, especially now because we're getting short on time. We've got 102 days. That's also why I bought this coin position when the price was on its way down, was to give me some more time. So I'm kind of hoping that between these two I can get my money back, and would be nice to have some profit there. So that I'm watching. And then of course, last week I talked about my Riot and CleanSpark positions that got put to me. At a certain point, I'm willing to take the loss to move on, because I've got $75,000 of money sitting there that's not working, and right now I'd probably have to take a $10,000 loss to get out of that, which, would take me several months to earn back again. Now, I think Riot and CleanSpark are large Bitcoin holders, and my base case, I think, Bitcoin's going to have a really good fourth quarter. And so what I want to see is if Bitcoin can have a good fourth quarter, if these stocks are going to rebound with that. And if they don't rebound or react, then I'll take the loss and move on. But for now, I'm just going to let those sit. So that's really my positions of concern. Let's go back and see if we can get those. Okay, 40 and 33. So let's modify that, and we'll go down. Oh God, if I go to 38, I don't know, maybe I have to go up to 12. So 0.38 divided by 1150 divided by how many days? 25 days. Divided by 25 times 365. 48%. Okay, it's a little low, but let's see if this will work. So 10 for $380. No. Okay, let's modify that again. 37, so that would be $370. I don't know, maybe I want to do those 12s. Yeah, I'm gonna, no, I'm being indecisive here. We will try 35 cents. I'll get that. There we go. Okay, so there I can see now November 1st, 1150 put, 10 contracts, 35 cents, and 25 days till expiry. So I'll go and enter that into my sheet here. So let's copy and paste. So 10 contracts, it's an 1150 strike, expiring on 1101. Current stock price, so 12.32 for the ETF. Entry date is 10:07, and the premium is 35 cents. And let's see, for 10 contracts, 12.45 in commission. That is not a covered call. That is a cash secured put. Okay, so that does not need to be blue. No fill in that. It's just my covered calls that I make blue. Okay, we'll save that. And that's all I got.